I can hear myself, but I can. I have this game on a tablet and I transfer into my phone. This was my main favorite card to race with. Looks nice. I like using it a lot. The only thing I like about it is the rim. Here's my card I used to race with when I was in tier 4. Oh yeah, it's from, I don't know, I forgot how this game works. It's been a while. Yeah, the engine looks nice. The car looks nice itself. I think I've seen one before. It's no doubt people clearly see this cars in the street, but not gold. Yeah, I don't remember using this much. I didn't use it much. BMW, I didn't use it much. I just took it for decoration since my father liked BMW, so why not have a BMW in my own garage? Yeah, no license plate name because I wasn't having enough money. I think this Ford Mustang because it just looked cool. Yeah, I just bought it because it looked cool. Yeah, I didn't use it much. See, I like this Ford Mustang. I've seen Ford Mustangs in real life, not my second garage. As you can see, the name of it. We're about to see my second garage. Yeah, here's my Lamborghini Huracan. I've seen one in real life, but without the top on. Without the top. It was a roofless Lambo. Oh, god damn it! It was mainly a roofless Lambo. It didn't have a roof. Just go ahead and play another game. I don't know what the flash event is. Yeah, I haven't even completed this one. Whether we have to do the tier 5s. Let's do this. Let's just do this. I haven't done it. I haven't done it. hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed my review of cars. I think my first car was that Ford, that silver one. Oh, great ad. That's that silver and red one. I think that was my first vehicle. I think that's the first vehicle everybody gets. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the review of the car, and see you next time. And bye.